Hi guys, welcome to Cook, Read, Review. My name is Shay and I'm just a girl who likes to eat and who likes to read. So I figured why not merge the two and cook what I read about. This week we're reading The Wall of Winnipeg and Me by Mariana Zapata. We're back with another recipe by IndianHealthyRecipes.com. As usual, a link is in the description box below. Her chicken curry recipe was so simple and delicious that I just had to try another one of her recipes. This Chana Masala recipe is just as simple but with 2 extra ingredients. I had to order the amchar and the fenugreek leaves from Amazon because I couldn't find any in my local grocery stores. Have you read any of the books by Mariana Zapata? She's like the slow burn romance goddess. Whenever I'm in the mood for a good love story, I always turn to Ms. Zapata's work. This is like my second time reading Wall of Winnipeg and Me, and it's just as good this time around as the first time. This recipe, Chana Masala with quinoa and spinach, is what the main character Vanessa made for her love interest Aiden, also known as the Wall of Winnipeg. While this is definitely not supersized like Aiden would eat, we are eating like a sports star today. No eggs, no meat, no cheese. If someone asked me to make something without any animal product, my brain would have instantly freeze, especially in an interview. Thank God Vanessa wasn't like me, and we can have this wonderful story. What's your favorite vegan meal? Comment down below and let me know. If you've reached this far, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe, or comment down below and let me know, what do you think? Otherwise, thank you for watching.